everyone, it's Sarah from Eastern Regional Libraries, bringing you another Boredom Busters craft, which are crafts that are made with just very simple things, hopefully that you've got at home. Today we are making a Pom Pom Jumping Machine. So I'll show you how it works. We grab our Pom Pom, so hopefully you've got something like this, something nice and soft, similar at home. And are you ready? Oh! So that's what we're making today. Now, the things you'll need are some Pom Poms, and you can get these from the $2 shop, or you might have some at home, and they're just really soft because we only want to jump really soft things in our machine. You need some paddle pop sticks. Mine are coloured, but you can just get the plain ones and you can decorate them if you like with your textures. One plastic spoon, or you can get wooden ones, the disposable wooden ones as well, and some elastic bands. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to get 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to get 7 paddle pop sticks and put them in a stack, and we need to secure them with an elastic band at both ends. So if you keep going round and round and round and round and round, still it's nice and tight. So we've done that on one end, and now we'll do it on the other end. There we go. So we've got our stack of 7. Now we need 2 by themselves, and just secure them with an elastic band on one end. So, all right, now we need our spoon to attach our spoon. So on one of these, so just separate the 2 paddle pop sticks like that. You see I've done that, and we're just going to attach the spoon to the top one. So again, you're going to need some elastic bands, and we're just going to go around the spoon and that top paddle pop stick. Oops, now I caught that bottom one, and that's a bit tricky because you need to hold it open a little bit while you're doing that. Once more, so it's nice and tight. All right, and you can attach it again down the bottom as well with the spoon. We might do that as well, just to make sure it stays on there. Go down, so we're just attaching it to that top yellow one. Hold that open. Go round and round with our elastic band. It's nice and tight again. There we go. So just so our spoon is going to stay on there. And then what we do is we separate the 2 paddle pop sticks and put our stack of 7 in the middle. And now all we need to do, so I've got a container, so you can make it into a game and see how many Pom Poms you can jump into your container. Let's see if I can do that. All right, let's grab a Pom Pom, and let's see. You ready? Oh no, I didn't. Let's try another couple. Let's see if I can get them into the container. Oh, nearly. And you can have fun. Oh no, it bounced out. You can have fun jumping your Pom Poms, as I said, into different containers, and you can make a game out of it. I hope you've enjoyed this Boredom Busters craft, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.